Hey, good afternoon, guys, and welcome back. Today we have another project, and for this one, I'm gonna be able to have you with me step by step because these plates are smaller. So these are lower control arm plates or A-arm plates, depends how you put it. And this is the kit coming from RCI with all necessary hardware and of course two plates for each side. Talking about hardware, most of these trucks listed here, they said do not use the longest screw, the longest carry bolt, and do not use these. I mean, you can see the difference. Most of the trucks are going to use the smaller ones. Well, for regarding gx460, this bolt, you're going to use it the longer one, then the longest one that comes in the kit, and the kind of medium sized one. So, and the way to do them, this is going to go on the back, which I'm going to show you. This is going to go on the front, and this one, once again, longer one, is going to go on the side next to the wheel. These you don't have to worry about. These are just a small some kind of washers to hold your bolt in the plate while you're installing the plate itself. So I'm kind of just holding it manually, so that's not important. And you have lock nuts. These are washers. These washers, one is gonna go here, one is gonna go on the top with a bolt, and then we're gonna have, they are same size. This is gonna be 15s and this is 11, if you're wondering. So that's the only difference, that when it comes to the installation, and the difference between installation on gx460 and well, the rest of the trucks that kind of share a similar platform. When it comes to 470, I'm not sure if you have to use these longer ones instead of all these, but every video that I was looking on the YouTube using these shorter ones, couple installations on a 4Runner, Tacoma. So maybe, just maybe, these are also for 470. Don't hold my word for it. But I already installed one. I'm gonna take you underneath so you can see, and then I'm gonna have you step by step on the other side, which is super easy. These plates are kind of on the lighter side compared to all the other plates that we already have installed. So as you can see, this is your lower control arm plate or A-arm plate. So first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a skid plate, and how to recognize what side is what. There is no markings, but you're gonna have this kind of extended lip. That lip is gonna cover this area, so when you put the plate like this, as you can see, there is a cutout here. That's a telltale sign. And also that lip, it's kind of protection for your for these components here. So this is how it will sit when it's all done and bolted. As you can see, this part gonna go on this side towards the wheel. That's where this guy comes to play. Then we're gonna have carrier bolt, the big one, the longest one in the set, going through that hole, and the medium kind of gonna go to the front. It's gonna go here, and it's gonna go through your frame. There is a hole that I showed you earlier, and then we're gonna stick the washer. And then the lock nut. For now, we're just gonna have kind of dangle for a minute. While we do the other side. Fish it through the hole. Put the washer, which I picked the wrong one. And the nut. I just do the hand tight for now. Make sure it doesn't fall on your face. And we're gonna tie it up. These bolts are not, the nuts are not exactly metric, but I'm using similar, so 15 can do the job, but it's a little bit big. I don't know what size is that in the standard, because both of my vehicles they use in the metric, but you can use 15. It's just a hair too big. So this one goes bolt washer. Through this hole. Try to match the hole on the top. And then comes the washer. And the nut. I'm using 11. So not to bother you with all, you know the most important things. I'm just gonna tie these up and pretty much that's about it. So if you have any questions, drop it in comments below. Please subscribe, share and like. I do appreciate it. Will help the channel. So yeah, so far that's it, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.